Alright guys, I'm on Mr. Wild World Beta Trainer 300, Papa. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been riding this now for a while, and I love it. Little bit too low for me, but yeah, my bike broke today, and Will was so kind enough to lend me his own personal motorcycle. So thank you, Mr. Will. I really do appreciate it, and it's been an honor. And just like the low down power on this thing is ridiculous. En een carburetor, Papa. Natuurlijk. That's it. Slowly. Lekker, Choma. Dankie dat je gehelp met mijn vriend. Ik wil niet jou zijn bike op die klippen neerzetten hier zo.
Nee,
Oh my god.